Welcome back to Long Island TV. Today we're going to show you how you can see one of the world's most iconic landmarks from an exclusive Long Island tour.
On a luxury yacht, avoiding all the crowds.
So let's go check it out. Okay, Bree, we are on a brand new party boat out of Port Washington. You can rent them with Long Island Boat Rentals, and this yacht is called the Elixir.
Yep, this is gorgeous. It's a 38-foot boat, a charter yacht, and it fits about 24 people. So you could have your family, bachelorette parties.
Yes, a proposal, or like us, we brought our work family with us from Discover Long Island today. And you go all the way to the city and see the Statue of Liberty, but on the way you get to see really iconic, amazing Long Island houses from The Great Gatsby, like some of the ones behind us.
Yep, some of them are Gold Coast mansions, and Adam Sandler lives over here.
Yeah, they've been in movies like The Wolf of Wall Street, and this one behind us, I heard that they own a toilet paper company, so they're doing really well in 2020. I know.
They're living the life.
Yeah, so speaking of living the life, let's take the rest of our cruise and go see what the rest of this boat has to offer.
Let's do it.
Okay. Okay, Bree, so in addition to seeing all of the amazing scenery and beautiful scenery on this tour, you actually get some great history. So for example, right behind us is Fort Tutton from the Civil War. Today it's a state park, but the really cool thing about it was back in the Civil War, it actually had an underground tunnel that was built more than 100 feet underwater and connected it to the fort across the East River, Fort Schuyler. It just collapsed a few years ago, but wow, talk about an amazing feat building that tunnel.
Yeah.
And it still stands today.
Yeah, so much history, and the views are amazing here.
Exactly, so let's keep cruising.
So I am here with Christian, the owner of Long Island Boat Rentals. Christian, can you tell us a little bit about the tour?
Yeah, so this is our brand new Elixir yacht charter for 5-hour charters with up to 24 people. We designed a beautiful service that takes out of Port Washington and ends up here in the Statue of Liberty.
Our close proximity to New York City is one of the best things about Long Island. What are some iconic landmarks that people can see along the way?
Yeah, we start from the western Long Island Sound. We pass under all the bridges, LaGuardia Airport, down the East River, past the Midtown, United Nations, under the Brooklyn Bridge, and end up here. It's such an exciting tour.
Yeah, a little bit of history, so there's a little bit of everything.
So much, and mostly fun though, because you're here with all your friends and just having a great time.
So much fun.
Okay, Bree, I cannot think of a better day to spend with your friends or your relatives or your coworkers, right?
The best day ever.
Yeah.
And for all things Long Island, make sure you subscribe to our YouTube channel, Discover Long Island NY, and make sure you hashtag Discover Long Island so we can follow your adventures.
Okay, ready guys? Yeah. Out of Port Washington. What an awesome way to spend the day.
It's 30 foot.
Okay.
38,
24.
38, 24. I love it. And it's a 38 foot Yacht?
Across the bay here. Is it a bay?
Yeah.
Okay, good. I messed it up. I'm giving like a straight history tour right now. It's like, okay. You can see one of the world's most iconic landmarks on its. Nope. Okay, one more time. Ready?
You can live in luxury and fight the crowds. No, on a luxury yacht. Oh my God, I'm sorry. And you can even fight the crowds.
Nope.
No, you don't want
That's
to
the opposite. Okay, ready?
I don't know. What are you saying?
Chris is getting sassy.